Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Chrome OS and permissions so you control what happens when the lid closes. Open Settings, then About Chrome OS to confirm updates. Once updated, go to Device Power to view lid behavior. Make sure apps you want running are allowed in Background Apps. This prevents them from terminating on suspend. Also disable any aggressive battery savers. These steps prepare the system. Now move to Active Configuration, so closing the lid preserves the running state. Now adjust the finer controls that actually stop shutdown. In Power Settings, choose options that minimize deep sleep and keep network on during suspend if available. Allow specific apps to run in background and grant notifications so they can wake the system. If you need audio continuity, enable Media Background Playback. Make sure Chrome tabs are set to continue running. Test by closing the lid briefly with one app active, then reopen to verify processes persist. Repeat until behavior matches. Finish by validating the result. Reboot, then close the lid for short and longer intervals to confirm apps remain active. If something stops, reopen and inspect the Task Manager and Settings apps to confirm background permission. Sometimes a single app's policy forces termination. Make sure Wi-Fi sleep settings allow background network. If issues persist, revert recent changes, reapply defaults, and only then consider a power wash. One key tip: clear and regrant app permissions before extreme resets. That often fixes stubborn shutdown behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.